Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Fluffy Bird in Scratch. Yeah. So Fluffy Bird is really fun game. Yeah, you know. And it's not that really hard to code. And I'm not good at Fluffy Bird thingies. So we can click mouse to fly or press the space key to fly. So yeah, let's get to coding. But before we start, I'd like to remix my Fluffy Bird Start project. This is on a Scratch project, which is my second account. So why did I tell you to remix? Because you need these kind of flying animations, logo, pipes, start, which is main menu, and a nice ground first. But if you want to use your own assets, then it's fine. Everything will just work fine. But if you want to use my assets, then you can remix my project. So I'll remix this project. Yeah, it's taking a while. And called it Fluffy Bird. Just a Fluffy Bird. Yeah. And if you show our player sprite, it's kind of big. So drag out the wet green flag click block. Now, let's make a new variable for this, called it speed y. This is a speed of y coordinate, and make it for this priority. Now we're gonna use a little bit of same technique that we did for our last video. Now set speed y to 0, change speed y by negative 1.5, change y by speed y, and of course let's do some other stuff. Go to x, y. X will be negative 150, y will be 0. Then okay, now so we're gonna let's set the size because it's quite big and my one is 20, so yeah, you fall in. Now, in Fluffy Bird, we also jump. So drag out a wet gray flag click block, loop forever if key space is pressed, or mouse down, which is because on Fluffy Bird, both requires. And then we're gonna set the speed y to drag out the mouse down one. Yeah. So let's set it to 12.5. Yeah. This is my opinion. So if you want to use your own, now you can do is any value you want. Just play around this value. So just one match. Yeah. Now let's duplicate the one and the comment why. Let's duplicate this and right here. And if you're running the project, our Fluffy Bird flies, and when you click your mouse, you also fly. Now let's add some animation because it's kind of boring. Oh, wait. It's a little bit zooming in is good, but sometimes it's not that really good. So when gray flag click, we're gonna loop forever. Next costume. Then wait for a 0.1 second because because if it's not, you will happily see this one. Yeah. And always switch it costume to flying 0. Now if you try running the project again, yeah, that looks good. Now if you try running the project, then our Fluffy Bird is Our player is done. Now let's add some rotation because it is not fun. Now rotation. It could be simple or hard, but I'll tell you easy way because other use a complicated math as A10 or like those. So we'll subtract plus 90 degrees because you're pointing 90 degrees and also pointing direction 90 plus 2 minus speed y. And if you try running the project, our Flappy Bird is already done. Yeah, whoa, oh my goodness. And that is so good. Now, let's code the ground. So my idea of ground is we have only one sprite, but we'll make a clone, which is okay. Yeah, I use this thing. This is this thing. Okay, let's continue. Now my idea is this: you'll make a two sprites. Okay, one is on a screen and one is off the screen. And when we scroll, both objects will scroll to the left. Okay, then both one object hit the edge, and that object will go to a opposite position. So I hope you understand the worst explanation ever I said it. But yeah, let's get to code. First, drag out the Wingrave flag click. Then I'm gonna do is create clone of myself. And of course, go to X, 0, Y will be. Let's set it to go to X, Y, 0, 0. 0. Just make sure this thing 0 and 0. Why did I delete it? If you try showing, yeah, I think negative 175 is a good choice. A little bit of 60%, of course. Well, I think 160. 65, of course. Yeah, I think that's good. Now I'll put it right there. Now, so here we're gonna loop forever. Change x by -10. Then, if the x position is less than -480, this is our screen size, then set x to 480. That's opposite thing. Now if we try running the project, then you see that we scroll. Now let's do same thing for the clone. Now when I start as a clone, we go to XY. Oh, why did I have to comment? Go to XY. X will be opposite thing, which is just will be equal to 480 pixels. Then you just do the same thing for that. Now if we try running the project, yes, infinite scrolling completely. My opinion is a little bit faster. So change by -5. -5, yeah. That's slow. -7. Yeah, that should be that. And we are done. basically a little bit done, but yeah, we're pretty like a Flappy Bird. In the next episode, I will tell you how to add type and other stuffs. So be sure to subscribe and do not miss it out. And see you in the next one.